morning everyone and fellow friends, beautiful friends and my beautiful lecturers, Ms. Lee, Mrs. Chingy and Matas. Today I'll be doing a presentation about one of the best for me, first time in my life is natural structure. First, I'll be doing it for our first site. This is our site for our Denabite. We have the pillars around the river, and there's trees around the site, and lots of stones and river streams. And in our site, we have a few wildlife in the water, which is water strider, dragonfly, guppies, and blue. So first, we'll be talking about natural structure. Basically, this is the main part of natural structure. It's split into two parts, which is physical structure and abstract structure. Physical structure is basically a structure which can be seen, which is material that can be seen. As for abstract structure, it's basically a structure where we can't see, we can't be seen. So for physical structure, we split it to environmental structure and biological structure, and for abstract structure, we split it to food chain and symbiosis. Okay, let's go on to physical structure. Physical structure is basically one of the points for natural structure. It's split into two parts, which is we'll be first talking about environmental structure, which contains of water, rocks, and soil. Basically, these all three are elements of Earth, and they are part of the environmental structure. For water, they have basically it's a colorless liquid which forms the streams and rivers, and for rocks is formed through minerals, and for soil is basically upper layer of Earth where plants grow. Let's continue to the physical structure, environmental structure. Okay, first, environmental structure. We're talking about the three things, main thing which is the element of Earth: water, rocks, and soil. First for water. In this world, 97.5% are seawater contained. Then 2.5% is the fresh water. So basically in Janabai we'll be doing fresh water because it's a lake, and it's not a lake, it's rivers and it's a stream. And so we'll be doing the 2.5%. How does water come from? Basically the water cycle, the four main points, which is the collection, evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. As water evaporates, it turns to gas, and gas, it condenses, it turns back to water, and it rains, precipitates, and it flows through the sea, and it will collect the water. As for rocks, there are three types of rocks. Basically, the rocks are they're metamorphic, igneous, and sedimentary. So in Janabai, we collected a few rocks. Our rocks are which are called granites. Granites are partly stated in this igneous group, which is also means that these rocks are usually formed by volcanoes and magmas or lavas. Then for the soil for Janabai, there are three types as well. They are clay, sandy, and silty. So for soil, our Janabai soil will be sandy. It was the smallest particle compared to other trees. That's why it can absorb water. Yes, large storage water capacity. That goes to the second part, which is the biological structure, which is talking about animals and plants. Basically, biological structure is like body parts of your body parts. Like animals, they have like wings, they have tails, they have legs, tails, and etc. For plants, they have the characteristics like branch, leaves, roots, trunks, and stomach. For plants, maybe stomata and more. So basically, this is the simple, most summarized biological structure for everyone, and we'll continue go through the talking about animals. So continue on biological structure. Let's talk about animals. First, this is the most important thing, which is the cycle of a butterfly. It's a structural changes for all, and this usually happens to all animals. And so basically, it's an egg on the leaf. It takes around 1 to 4 days to hatch. So as it hatches, it turns into a caterpillar. This caterpillar, at first when it hatches, it will eat its own eggshell to survive as their first meal. So this caterpillar, they have like the body parts like they have the head, they have the thoracic legs, and basically all these structures are split to three parts, which is the abstract, physical, and last but not least, the most importantly, the natural structure. And all these structures represents the nature, and it's all explainable. I was used the size of it, so basically the smaller it turns to more and more video. Use the shape as the basically it's usually this biological structure they are part of the animals and plants. So basically all these branches, leaves, roots, trunks, and tails. Yeah, because they can be how to say, they are.
Because water is the main requirement for life. Makes sense.
Rock first, because it's engineers. Because it's our one is granite, it's under engineers section.
Then why did you highlight that? Why did you highlight that the rock
What's that?
you have to highlight for your side.
When you say there's three different structures, physical, abstract,
Actually, supposed to be natural, the main one. The three, I think, the main one is natural, and it's split into physical and abstract. So it's the main three. Understand?
yeah, it's two separate things. So, like from this onward, actually here, this is the physical structure. You're talking about.
Yep.
And from there onward,
Abstract structures. Actually, we think that is good. Alright, that's it.
the hierarchy of text is not very strong. Like this three-member structure is like it's very neat of it.
for this tree structure, this basically talk about the whole tree structure. As for the cap is to
Together. Right. Together. And the size is bigger. Whenever you're looking at this title, it falls under the same category.
yeah,
Should be bigger or small, the same size. Then when it's smaller, it changes according to size. Okay, it's not supposed to do that as much as
is it?
What does conversion have to do with natural structure?
Basically, this conversion is talking about five senses, which can
And
be
how does it relate to the natural structure?
for these five senses actually is only covered for this part because what we see and what we feel. For the physical structure, we can manage to feel it and we experience it, but for actual structure, we can't be seen. It can't be seen. So actually, it's for this part.